Wote Technical Training Institute has migrated its kitchen from fuelwood to liquefied petroleum gas that is cleaner and healthier. The shift marks a significant milestone in reducing indoor air pollution, improving kitchen efficiency, and lowering energy costs, as well as contributing to efforts to curb deforestation in Makueni County. The launch of the project was preceded by a courtesy call on Makueni County Governor Mutula Kilonzo by the Equity team.
Our job is to transform people's life. We are transitioning schools and institutions from using firewood to now LPG. We have done already about 214 institutions across the country.
That word equity is exactly what it is.
Yes.
You are the people who Kenyans think, care
and listen
about them.
Yeah, very true.
And you listen.
Equity Group Foundation, in partnership with Heatmax Energy, installed the 3.5 million shilling system as part of a broader commitment to promote sustainable energy solutions in learning institutions.
This is 1,000 kg of gas. We give a warranty of 2 years so that we can guide the institution towards making this sustainable. Because if it is not properly used, then it will become unsustainable.
One of the biggest challenges we are dealing with that is affecting our people, and especially in the semi-arid areas like in Makueni, is the issue of our arable lands are becoming degraded day by day. So one of the action now is this transitional energy, which is LPG. And by doing so, we are allowing a tree which could have been cut to stay alive.
At the commissioning, the Director of Greening in the State Department of Technical and Vocational Education and Training TVETs, and Kamonjo, highlighted the importance of demonstrating practical energy alternatives to learners.
If we use LPG1, of course, we are addressing the issue of conservation. People will not cut trees, but we want to go ahead and transform that mind, that when they go out there, even themselves do not go and use firewood.
Kamonjo further observed that scaling clean cooking across Kenya's schools can transform communities and significantly reduce pressure on forests.
In our kitchens, we are consuming about 10 million trees per year. That is mind-boggling. On the left side, we are cutting trees to use in our kitchens. On the other side, we are telling the students every time we are planting trees. We have to start restoring, and then we have to show them alternative ways of energy that are not the source of trees.
Wote TTI Chairman of the Board of Governors, Professor Joseph Mwinzi, lauded Equity for its leadership in transforming youth, noting that 73 learners at the Institute are beneficiaries of Equity Scholarship Program.
I wish to sincerely thank Equity Foundation. Your partnership demonstrates the power of collaboration. Equity Bank has once again shown leadership by investing not only in the infrastructure, but in the future of our youth and our nation at large.
Present at the commissioning were principals from other colleges in the county who followed through the event for a deeper understanding of the Clean Cooking Initiative.
I've learned a lot when it comes to clean energy. When I go back to school, I will talk to Board of Management to encourage them to adopt this initiative of clean energy. It's very safe in terms of health and also in terms of environmental conservation.
Students and catering staff welcomed the transition, noting that smoke-filled kitchens and soot in dining areas were now a thing of the past.
It is a very good transition, that is from using the firewood to the LPG gas, because one thing, it's going to help us to be time efficient and to reduce a lot of smoke, because it used to create a lot of disturbance around that kitchen area.
As we see, the school is advancing with this LPG gas, and that's now where we are getting more idea. And we go back home, we tell them that this is how we can use it. Installing of LPG gas is good, saves on time, it's efficient in food, and the food is always sweet when we use LPGs.
Kitchen is clean, there is no smoke. We are always 30 minutes before the serving time. The students are very happy because when they come for food, they find everything is being arranged well, ready to be served.
Wote Technical Training Institute is the premier public TVET in Makueni County, specializing in technical, vocational, and business training to over 3,300 trainees.